Okay, so you know what we don't do is people don't do unboxings on car parts. So we're gonna unbox something real quick. Should be fairly short. If you don't know, if you can't read it because it's upside down, it says 2J Racing. So here's what I'm unboxing. This is actually the 2JZ MidPipe. Now, if you've seen my other videos, you know I did a video unboxing one of these. Not unboxing, I'm bugging. I did a video where I was talking about putting this on a friend's car and you've seen it, but now it's time for me to put it on my own vehicle. Now here's what we're gonna do. I wanna unbox it to show you why I like 2J Racing, why I stand behind their products. And they didn't give this to me for free. So everybody understands that this was a purchased MidPipe. I don't want anybody to think that I'm just bigging them up because they threw me something for free. Even though, if they're watching this video, 2J Racing, hopefully we could talk. You know, I want to get that exhaust. Maybe we can work a deal, do some more videos. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to unbox this. So I'm going to do this quick. Similar to like tech videos, you've seen them unbox stuff like this. So it's a 2J Racing MidPipe for a GR Corolla, okay? You see it on the screen, GR Corolla 2023 to 2024, 2J Racing resonated MidPipe. This is not some pipe out the back. I don't have, hold on. I'm supposed to have a little knife on me. This isn't something new. I mean, there's a whole category on YouTube of people literally unboxing stuff. So I'm not doing anything groundbreaking unless you consider me unboxing some automotive parts to be groundbreaking. So we got the knife. I don't got no little fancy. I got a small little one from a place I follow from EDC Carry stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and cut right through this. Alrighty, put the knife away. Safety first, kids. I do like the tape. I'll say that. I like the fact that they put their own name on some tape so you can see what it is when you get it. We're gonna unbox this. There's copious amounts of peanuts, as you can see, and buried inside of this thing should be the MidPipe. So we're gonna do that, fold this back, voila. As you can see, the packing of the MidPipe. Now, somewhere down here, let me feed it out. I know everything isn't really in frame. I'm gonna move it around so you can see, and we're gonna zoom in on some components of it. But yeah, it's a lot of packing peanuts. Okay, here it is. Gotta get it out of the peanut thing. All right, shake some off. I do like the fact that they wrap this whole thing in bubble wrap, so like, you know, peanuts don't get inside of it. And 2J Racing tape. Okay, branding. I need the knife again. I gotta cut some of this tape so I can get this off. And cut that there. Cut that there. There. Cut it there. Then right at the end. All right. And there we have it. The 2J Racing MidPipe. Now, as you can see, the qualities, okay? This is why I stand behind what they make, right? It had nothing to do with either getting something for free because I didn't get this for free. It had nothing to do with just trying to big up somebody to get something. Sometimes you just like something, you shout them out because of craftsmanship they've done, and this is what we got here. So this is the whole entire MidPipe, as you can see. I'm gonna try to circle it back down there. See that flange right there at the end, that's at the front. Coming down here, coming out to the other end. You see the high quality flanges and the welds and everything there. And if you look, I'm gonna flip this around. This right here, heavy duty flange at the end. Welds, nice quality. Get back into the light. And this is where like another gasket goes, which is somewhere in this basket. But this is the entire MidPipe. See, got the exhaust hangers there. Nice, welder strong. They're thick. These are not flimsy. This thing won't just fall apart in any moment. Resonated mid-pipe. Now, here's the thing. If you're getting this hoping that it's gonna be the lightest thing in the world, this is not for you, right? This is not titanium. If you're racing, if you're looking to drop the absolute most weight, this is not the mid-pipe for you, because this is just gonna last the test of time for a reason, right? It's not heavy, I have it picked up, but it's not the lightest thing in the world. Let me get some of this off. But if you look at the quality of this flange, this is gonna last being under your car, driving through the rain, the snow, salt, dirt, grime, road grime. All of that's gonna be there with how that looks and with how these hangers are, how these welds are, the thickness of the mid-pipe and the stainless steel. Let me flip this around one more time so you gotta get a good view of what this is. So you see all of that there is the quality of it. Wells, the bend that goes to the front of the engine, quality. So there is one more piece in this whole little setup. I gotta find out where it's at. Somewhere around here, possibly. There's like another gasket that you gotta put on this thing. Oh, here we go. So you also get this with it, which is for front of mid-pipe only. This is a gasket that goes on the front of the mid-pipe. And if you remember when I showed you, that would be this section right here. That's where that goes to go onto the car. And that's the rest of this. And this is how it looks. Quality of it, I love it. They sound amazing, right? If you're looking to get, let's just say you want to keep the stock exhaust and you want to just get more volume, sound, tonality, this is pretty much all you need. You don't have to go all the way with certain exhausts. There are many people that say the new exhausts they have, they're too loud, they're getting too loud, so on and so forth. This is a good option for you. It does offer some punch, some kind of mid-range power increase just for the flow. I don't know the exact numbers. I do know from being in the car, there is some pep to it. Maybe it's 1 horsepower, 2, maybe it's all in your head. But even if it's in your head, enjoy your time. That's it. 2J Racing, GR Corolla mid-pipe. If you want one, go get it. These are now about, I don't know, this is selling for about $360. There's many other mid-pipes that are not resonated, that do not have the steel of this quality, that are going for much more. So do yourself a favor. Anyways, that's it. CarQuicks out. Peace.